Welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to bypass Krnl. All you have to do is get this link right here, okay? Copy it, make sure you're able to paste it down in the link box. And as shown right here, I did it. This is sped up a little bit. It's at 2x speed. But this is also I did search up for a new Krnl one, but there weren't any new ones. The most recent one was the 2020 bypass, which was using using JavaScript. Also, sorry that you have to hear me talk. You can just mute me if you don't want to listen. This is the basic concept of it. Okay, you do that about 5 or 6 times, and then eventually you get to here. After about 15 seconds of waiting, it'll send you to this page. Thank you for watching. This was Z3K3 Shorts, or if you're watching me on something else, my YouTube is Z3K3 Shorts. Thank you. Goodbye.